Hey there, I'm Tammy at All About Living, and today we're going to make a chocolate cheesecake. Only 6 ingredients and well within budget. Cake. And this recipe comes from all the way back in the 80s. It's something you would see at Granny's house, okay? 15 minutes on the outside, and then a couple of hours in the fridge to set, you're good. All right, all you're gonna need is some chocolate pudding. Now you don't have to use sugar-free, but I do. And some milk, some Cool Whip, some Little Debbie oatmeal cream pies, some cream cheese, some vanilla. You'll need a mixing bowl to put it in, and I love my new Parmesan, so I'm showing it off. And you'll need a pie plate or a spring form or something to hold your dessert in.
Okay, Tammy made this vanilla extract. We did it a long time ago, and we got a video. Camera sucked and the sound sucked, but it's a good bit of information. And if you would like to make some of Tammy's famous vanilla extract, you can watch the entire video. And when you get at the end, you can click on the little link. And then you'll be able to make Tammy's famous vanilla extract.
First thing we're gonna do is get us some oatmeal cream pies. And the amount of cream pies you need depends on what size vessel you're gonna put it in. There's just Randy and I, and so we're just doing it in a pie plate. You can do it in a 9 by 12 if you want to. But we're just going to set these out in this pie tin and make a crust. All right, last one. That worked out perfect. I needed 7 pies. Now we're just going to set that aside because that's done. Now we're going to take this bowl and we're going to drop our 1 package of cream cheese in there. Just like that. And I'm going to drop my pudding in there. It's child-proof, so I can't get in it. All right. 1 chocolate pudding. And we're going to need 2 cups of milk, which is what the box says you need for your chocolate pudding. Now I like whole milk, but you can use any kind of milk you want. Actually, they say 1% works the best, but unless I wanted to make some powder, I don't have that. Now you're going to need 1 teaspoon. I'm using my homemade that I made. I don't know, I probably made this 2 years ago and just keep adding liquor to it because that's all it is. And we're going to put a teaspoon. And I'm just going to guesstimate that that's about a teaspoon. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and just kind of break that cream cheese up a little bit because it's not quite, I didn't take it out quite soon enough. You actually probably need to take that out, you know, a couple of hours or so before you make it. Just make it easier to mix. All right, Randy, cut the sound, because that is loud. Okay, when you first start, it's going to kind of like spatter. Just put your hand up there and avoid the mess. or do it in the sink. Okay, and you want to blend that until it's completely, absolutely 100% smooth. You don't want any little chunks of cheese or any, you want it smooth, smooth, smooth. So you just go in there with your finger. And yeah, we have done it. Okay, on to step 3. Okay, now we're going to take a half a tub of Cool Whip. Just a half a tub. I'm lucky I didn't open it and find half of it gone. We're going to drop that in there. Just a half. Okay, now we're going to fold it. Not stir it, fold it. That way you keep your Cool Whip fluffy. It takes longer than stirring, but it's way better and worth the time. Okay, now I'm folded. Okay, now I'm going to set that right there. Get my pie plate, put it back, and put all of my cheesecake pudding on top of my oatmeal cookies. One chocolate cheesecake. Done. Alright, and I have, they're not part of the recipe, but like I said, Randy love chocolate. So I have these little espresso morsels that I use for something else, and he hadn't found them yet, or they'd be gone. And we're just going to sprinkle some of those just to make the top pretty. You can use anything you like, milk chocolate, dark chocolate. Alright, at this point, you're ready to stick it in the fridge or the freezer. If you're going to serve it next day, go ahead and just put it in the fridge. If you want it for later, you know, it needs 2 or 3 hours to set, and then you're fine, you're ready to go. We're going to be making a lot more dessert, getting closer to the holidays. I'm going to show you how to make some peanut brittle, some lollipops. We're just going to have a big time, and I'll see you then.